Hello everyone. So today in this video tutorial I am going to show you that how to convert Markdown to PDF using a third-party service which is like approximately free of course like that. So yeah, that's the thing today. Okay. So this is the Anatomy workflow. You can see we are at this position and it is giving me the MD file, okay, which I am able to view it here. You can see if I just like zoom in, so you can just see that there is an MD file over there. But the thing is that if we go and like search for Markdown, okay, Markdown, so you can see there is no conversion for Markdown to PDF. Like that kind of thing is not available on the N10. Or if you go with any other AI tool like Hums, OpenClaw, or even Cloud Code or like that kind of thing. So there is a missing thing is there of the file conversion. And for that thing, I bring a solution for you, which is called ConvertFleet.com. So you have to just go to this platform called ConvertFleet.com and you will see like this kind of interface, this kind of dashboard in this. Okay, you can see I'm still using it, and that's a very great thing for now. Okay, you have to just go to this and you have to delete the previous API keys if you have, and you have to click on new API keys. When you generate a new API keys, you will get this kind of API keys which you have to copy. Okay, and yeah, you have to save it. Okay, and then you have to click on this API and you have to click on API documentation. Then here is an search thing, which is a great thing. You don't need to move around from and to like that kind of thing. You have to search Markdown to PDF. Okay, that's it. And then you have to scroll down a little bit and you can see it has find out the specific conversion. Okay, we have to just click on this and you can see it has given like this, and that's a great thing by the way. So before that, let's open a new tab and add our API keys, copy this, okay, which is a https url. Okay, if you see there is like Python, Swift, iOS and Java and Dart, Flutter, all things are supported. So that's a very nice thing of them. Okay, and then we have to just go to this N10 and we have to search for the https, and we have to open this and we have to click on import and add this and click on import. Okay, once it's done, we have to just copy the API keys. Okay, and then we have to scroll down and you can see there is a bearer. Okay, after bearer with the space, we have to just input this API keys, and then there is an option called file. We have to click on this and you can see here is input data field is missing, which is this thing. Okay, if it is dynamic, so you have to get the dynamic like that kind of thing. I will show you in the next video, maybe like that, where I will show you the dynamic values appearing like that kind of thing. So you can see I added this and let's test it out. Let's click on execute step. It has successfully give us the file output. Okay, so this is the what you called MD file, okay, which is like .md, and this is the output file, which is the PDF. Let's download this. Okay, and let's open this. So that's a great thing that it is working well without any error. Okay, so yeah, that's a great thing. And if you want to check out this website, so that's a very great thing. You can just go and like try out their free plan, which is 200 API keys lifetime, like that kind of thing, as of my knowledge. Okay, I hope you like it and see you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.